Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I pulled up to a Grove Collaborative box. And now this is the first time I've ever ordered from Grove Collaborative, and I've seen their products all over online. Like, I know everyone has. They're all over Instagram. Like, it's crazy. I did buy this at the grocery store like a really long time ago. This is the Mrs.Meyers Clean Day Multi-Service Everyday Cleaner in Honeysuckle. Kind of smells like lemon though. Like, I thought it was just lemon smell, but it smells really good, and I like that you can use it on any surface. So I use it on wood, I use it on my granite countertops or whatever kind of countertops these are. Like, I literally use it on everything, and it smells really good. It doesn't leave a residue. So I was like, okay, let me try some new products. I've been seeing this little like brush cleaner in like a couple YouTube videos, and I really wanted to try it out. So it turns out I went to order like 2 things from them, and they wound up giving me like 5 free products. And I'm like mind blown, because who does that? That's crazy. I think it's from like the first purchase you make with them, you get a bunch of free products. I don't know how it works. This video is not sponsored at all. I just totally wanted to try out their products because I really like this one, so I wanted to try some more. So I figured I would make a video of me opening it and check everything out. So let's do this. Oh my god, there's so much in here. The first thing, I did not buy this one. Walnut Scrubber Sponge. I'm a tough scrubber with a soft touch. Just like me. Guys, we've had this huge spider outside of our window. I would totally like show you, but the way I have the camera positioned right now, I'm not moving it. It's too hard to move, but oh, cool. So there's 2 sponges in here. It says non-abrasive and perfect for use on cookware, glassware, countertops, and appliances. Top rack dishwasher safe. So that's kind of nice. Okay, so this is like the softer sponge. Oh my god, wait, it's the same exact thing. It's just different sides to it. Okay, so that's cool. So I get 2 sponges, and one has a soft side and one has a hard side. Ooh, guess he's gonna like start cleaning after this video. What else do we have in here? That's a package slip. This one I did order. This is the Tub and Tile Mrs.Meyers Clean Day. Remove soap scum and hard water stains, and this is in the lemon scent. So we have subway tile in our bathroom and in the tub, and it has a gray grout, and I don't know if like the guy never sealed it or something, but I feel like I can't clean it the way that I want it to be cleaned. So I figured I would try this because I need something else to just clean the tile and the tub with. I'm constantly cleaning it because I just feel like because it's white, it just gets dirty so much, and especially after giving Stella a bath in it, it's always so dirty. So I wanted to try a different tile and tub cleaner, and maybe this one will work. Oh, that smells really good. There isn't like directions or anything on here, but I did read online that it said to just spray the surface area and then you just wipe it off. I mean, that's basically like any cleaner, but I figured I would try a different one. So it's weird it doesn't say it on here. But I did read online, so it says the directions online of like how to actually properly use it. Ooh, look at this thing. 16-ounce spray bottle. This was a free product. I did not buy this. So everything I'm about to show you right now was literally like I think it came to $22, $23 for all of these products. So we just have a basic spray bottle. I think I read that, yeah, so the bottom is kind of like this rubber, and oh, it is glass. So could you imagine if that just shattered? It's a regular glass bottle, 16 ounce, and then it has the rubber on the bottom, and the rubber, it looks like, does come off, which is really good. So then if you want to throw it in the dishwasher or wash it, you don't have to necessarily worry about like this getting all dirty underneath. So this is actually really good to have. I don't have any spray bottles, so this is really helpful because I feel like spray bottles are just something that you should have when you're cleaning a lot. Ooh, I did not order this, and I'm excited that I got this. This is just the Mrs.Meyers dish soap, but I have been seeing so much of this online, and this is also in that lemon scent, lemon verbena or something like that. So it just smells so fresh, and it smells so clean, and oh my god, it literally just smells so fresh. And I keep seeing people like having them on their counters in YouTube videos and stuff, and I just think it's so cute because they're so cute, the packaging. But the reason that I really like this product, the reason that I got, this product, is because it says that it's not only multi-surface, because that's just amazing. It makes things so much easier, especially when you're cleaning your house. You don't have to go up and down a bunch of floors because you can have everything right here. But it has like no ingredients in it, which I thought was really cool because I try and do like organic when I can, and I try and get things like that don't have a lot of chemicals in it. So it's really nice knowing that this is really good for you and good for your for the air. And I don't want to be like spraying something in my home and then have to worry about all the chemicals. So it's nice to have something that's not like super bad for you. Ooh. So we have Mrs.Meyers clean, well, this is all Mrs.Meyers, so I don't think I really need to say that. Compassion Flower Scent. This is their hand soap. Ooh. Different packaging. That smells good. I like that it's not too strong. Like, I feel like any of their smells, they're not overpowering. Like, they're not too fragrancy. If a plant doesn't grow well, don't blame the plant. Try to understand why. Oh, that's so cute. Same with people. Empathy is the key to growing better relationships. Oh my god, this has like the cutest little saying on it. That's adorable. I have 3 more products in here. That's amazing. Sorry if I keep looking outside. I'm like watching Stella and she's like chasing her tail. This is the pumpkin scent multi-surface cleaner, the same thing as my honeysuckle scent. I just wanted to get the pumpkin one because I actually really wanted the, what was the one I keep seeing everywhere? Like apple cider or something, which the scent like sounds really weird. Like, why would somebody want that? But I keep seeing everywhere that that one smells the best for fall. So I got the pumpkin one because they didn't have that one online. Ooh, I think that smells good. I mean, I'll have to test it out and see what it smells like when it's like on all our surfaces, but I think it smells really good. I'm excited to try that. Did get another multi-surface everyday cleaner. This one is almost gone, so that's why I wanted to get a fall one. And then I also got a lavender one. I don't know why this one's like taped. I just love the smell of lavender, and I feel like it's so soothing, especially if I clean up something at night, like after dinner or something. It's nice to have a calming smell when you're, you know, like at night or something. Okay, so I feel like it doesn't smell like lavender, but it smells really good. I don't really know what this smells like. Not lavender at all. It kind of smells like pumpkin mixed with, I have no idea, and I feel like it smells like an old Victoria's Secret perfume or something. I don't know. It smells really good, don't get me wrong, but it definitely does not smell like lavender. That is so strange. Last product. This is actually, oh my god, as I break it. The reason that I purchased anything from this company, this is why I went online to get it, because I keep seeing this cute little spongy thing all over everyone's sinks during YouTube videos, and I'm like, that looks really helpful to like clean dishes with. So you get this little brush, and it's actually bigger than I thought it would be. It comes with this little white jar, and inside it looks like we have a little sponge, I guess, so that's why that way it has holes on it, and I guess so when you put this in here, you don't just have it sitting in a pile of water, which I think is really awesome. And I like that this is bamboo, so it can get wet. Because if this was regular wood, it wouldn't last as long or hold up as well. Now, I noticed that they do sell the brush separate on their website, so I guess, obviously, I mean, you'd have to replace this eventually, but I like that it's bamboo because it'll last a while, and I like that it has this inside, so it's not just sitting in a pile of water as it drains out. So I just think like it's so simple and cute, but such a good idea to get like the tough stuff off of some of your pans, because I get so skeeved out by sponges when I wash the dishes. Like, I'm changing the sponge a lot because I get so grossed out by it. Because even when you wash like one spaghetti pan, if you have like baked spaghetti, it just gets stuck on there, and I feel like it's so hard to get it off. So I figured this would be really good for those more tough dishes, and I think it'll just look really cute on the sink. It does look cute. That is everything, guys. I hope you liked this unboxing. I'm really excited to try out these products. I think they'll be really good. I always hear about Mrs.Meyers. I always hear that they're really good products. So I'm excited to test them out for myself. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up so I know to make more videos like this. Comment below if there's any videos that you want to see. I started up work again, and I've been really busy, and I haven't made videos like I used to. So I do want to keep making them and everything, but give me some ideas if you have any. And don't forget to subscribe if you like the video as well, so that way you can stay updated with my wonderful life, and hit that notification bell so that way you know every time I upload a new video. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Sorry. What is the issue here? Oh my god. Grove collaborative. From Grove Grove Collaborative. Oh my god, I can't talk. It's been a long day.